Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: enums with switch case control structure in Java programming. Right, so first of all, we'll understand what are enums in Java programming. So enums were introduced in Java in Java 5 version or JDK 1.5 version. So using this concept, we can create our own data types, which are user-defined data types. So enum is a user-defined data type which contains fixed set of constant values. For example, if we take something like seasons, summer, winter, monsoon, spring. So these are enum constants. In general, constants are represented in block letters in Java. So by default, enum constants are static and final. So static means we can access directly with enum name, and final means they are not modifiable in Java program. So technically, enums are also known as enumerated data types, and we can define a enum inside a class as well as outside a class. Right, so coming to the syntax of working with enums with switch case control structure. So we have to take it like this: enum days, Sunday to Saturday, and then let us create a variable for days. So days dy is equals to days dot Thursday. So this dy we are passing as a parameter to switch case, which is of enum type. Right. So here enum values have indexes 0 to n minus 1. So Sunday is 0 and then Saturday is 6. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Enums example 6 dot Java. So first we'll take a new page, go to the beginning of the program and write the comments: program to demo enums with switch case control structure. So we are defining enum days outside a class with 7 values: sun, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So come to the main class with main method and save this program in your working directory. Right, so first we will work with enum variable. So how to create a enum variable? So enum days variable dy. So for this we are assigning a value dash days dot Thursday. So print dy, it will print thu, which is Thursday. So dy dot ordinal. So we'll get the ordinal number or index of Thursday, which is 4. Right, so save this program in your working directory. Come to the command prompt and then compile enums example 6 dot Java. Right, so no error. Run the program. Java enums example 6. So Thursday, whose ordinal or index is 4. Next, let us pass this dy as a parameter to switch, and internally it will check case Sunday, no; case Monday, no; case Wednesday, no; case Thursday, yes. So dy contains thu. It will print it's Thursday with a break. It will come out of the switch case control structure. So if it is an invalid day, then we'll get it as default invalid day. So save this program, recompile and run. So it's Thursday. So let us change the value for days variable dy. So we'll take it as something like F-R-I, which is Friday. So save this, recompile, and run. So Friday, 5 is the index or ordinal number, and then in switch case fry, it's Friday with a break. So this is how in Java we can use switch case with enum variables. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment, and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.